Mercedes has been battling a global shortage of computer chips.
He warned the government needed to take action and help.
Philips said the shortage has forced it to delay installing some hospital equipment.
Renault saw worldwide group sales fall for the third year in a row, forced car companies around the world to cut or suspend production.
It's well known that Europe is suffering from a huge shortage of microchips.
A global shortage of computer chips has crippled makers of cars and other goods.
The EU needs to be more strategically independent and is already working on a European Chips Act that intends to boost the continent's industrial capacity.
We will present a new European Chips Act.
I think there is a big shortage worldwide, actually, in terms of availability of chips. And that is the result of, on the one hand, due to the COVID crisis, the supply chain has been disturbed. On the other hand, there is also an increase in geopolitical tensions.
So Europe has gone from manufacturing almost half of the global supply to just 9% today and continuing to decline.
Brussels wants to have a 20% share of the global market for microchips by 2030. But for this, public and private will have to cooperate.
I think Europe is leading on the machines, on how to make the chips, but a lot of the manufacturing actually is being done in large mega fabs, which today are being based to a large extent in Asia.
The epicenter of the geopolitics of the semiconductors is not in US, is not in Europe, it is in Asia.
You're on the verge of losing control of one of the most important technologies for the economy, for the national security of Europe as well.
We need to link together our world-class research, design and testing capacities.
We can't have unique and narrow dependencies, particularly in geopolitically unstable zones as well.
And the aim is to jointly create a state-of-the-art European chip ecosystem, including production, that ensures our security of supply and will develop new markets for groundbreaking European tech.
And with the EU, we share in the goal to see that decline reversed, and a goal by 2030 of 20% of global supply in Europe.
You need more manufacturing, and we will welcome some. Like in the US, they will welcome some. Like in Korea, they will welcome some.
We want to do our part in helping build back the European semiconductor industry.